We're in 2020 and people need to really stop it. Like, it is quite stupid and childish to me. What's up, my bomb-ass subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today on the platter, guys, we have the Hank and Henry's mystery box for the month of June. Want to know which box I chose and what's in it? Y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. Welcome. This is your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to Happy Hour Boo. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Girl, I'm feeling so today. My energy's not like all the way through the roof, guys, but we're gonna make it through this video. The look you got today is the doctor's appointment, tired TonyaNicole. Yes, babe. So y'all know this one is gonna be very quick. We will not do shout outs today, guys, because this is just like a quick little added video to our repertoire. I think that's what you say, right? Yeah. For our drink today, we just have some white wine, some Moscato to drink. Okay, my loves, so this is the June mystery box. I got box number 2. There were 3 options, a $45 option, a $67 option, and a $77 option. So I chose box number 2, which is $67, and it's supposed to have a value of $140 to $160. So in between there, you're supposed to get 1 teddy palette, 1 poison palette, 2 full-sized Hank and Henry products, 4 full-size products from the Makeup Institute, and 1 of those The World is Better With You in It bracelets. So we will definitely see. It does not feel heavy enough to have all that it's saying, but we're gonna see when we open it up. I did not peek, so I don't know prices, so y'all know I'll look it up afterwards. So guys, without further ado, boo, let's get this box on and popping. They need a dance break and a drink break. Yeah. Okay, guys, y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so when we open it up, there's like a little receipt here on the top, and it says, "Be yourself, create magic, pay it forward. We are night owls. XO Hank and Henry." So the first thing on top I am seeing is 2 of these brushes from the Makeup Institute. Now I'm gonna assume that each one of these constitutes as 1 full-size product. I wish it came with a card just to kind of let us know what we got and the prices, but that's fine. This is a nice fan brush, guys, right here for highlighting, a nice highlighter fan brush. It does feel nice and soft. Bristles are nice. They are kind of sticking out a little bit over here, but we'll test this out and see. I really don't use these types of brushes for highlighting, but we will test it out and see. Also, guys, we have this little brush here, which looks like it can be good for packing underneath the eyes or blending out maybe your nose contour. So we do have these 2 brushes here to start, and I'll put the prices down below for these brushes once I look them up. So these are cute. I like this. We also received the bracelet, The World is Better With You in It here, this little white bracelet. All right, so I'm thinking this is the Makeup Institute right here, this little container, and it says Voodoo on the bottom. So I'm not really sure of what this is. Let's open it up and see, guys. Oh, this is pretty. So when we pull it out, this is how the little container looks. And I'm thinking that it's a loose glitter eyeshadow, guys. Pigment. I love it. Oh, okay. So it's got like a little cap like this that you can lift up. I do like that. And you can just like shake them out right onto there. I may use this. Y'all know I don't like loose pigments like that. So I may use it. I don't know, but we shall see, guys. Okay. And then we received from Hank and Henry this Lip Aesthetic metallic lipstick here. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And we're opening it up. It's in the shade Propaganda. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty. Open this up. Ooh, okay. The packaging is gorgeous. I hope you guys are able to see that. It's very pretty. I do like that it's shaped like a lipstick at the bottom here. And that's actually the color because this is the wand. That is so cute. Ooh, let's swatch it and see. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Wow, that is so pretty and metallic. Oh, y'all think I should put some on? What y'all think? Girl, let's try it. Let's see. Okay, of course I would have to line it up, but I do like the color. I think it's very pretty. It does feel nice. I'm not really too into metallic shades, but purple is my favorite color, so yeah, I like this. This is really pretty, guys. I love the packaging. Gorgeous. Then we received this from Hank and Henry, the Luster Dew highlighter here in this little shimmery box. Let's take it out and see. It's in the shade Honey Bunny, guys, which I do call some of y'all from time to time in my comments. This is what the packaging looks like, my loves. Gorgeous packaging. This is the shade right here. That's the shade. I will not open it right now because I do have a lot of highlighters, but I do love this color. It is gorgeous. It will look really good on deeper skin tones, or you can use it like as an eyeshadow. I do like this. Then I received from the Makeup Institute here this palette, and this has a 12-month shelf life. I'm not sure what kind of palette it is, but this is how the outside looks once that little wrapper is off, guys. And when we open it, oh girl, we got a mirror, but it's frosted out. This is the palette right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, pretty colors. I do like the scheme of this palette. You have some shimmer shades, some matte shades, but I do like this palette. I will not swatch this palette because I'm gonna put it in a giveaway, but I'll keep you guys posted. And this is very pretty. Okay, cool. I love an eyeshadow palette. Then we received another palette. And this is the Hank and Henry Teddy palette here. All right. And, oh, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. And this, let me take this off. All right. Oh, guys, this is the palette. I do like this. It's more of like a fall palette, but it's very, very, very pretty. Again, we have some shimmer, look like some pack glitter shades, some shimmer shades and matte shades. I'm going to swatch just a few of them for you guys to see. That's 4 of the shades right there on my fingers. And those are the 4 shades, just 4 of the shades from Teddy swatched out. Very pretty. That's 1 swipe each, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love that. And we have one more palette. And this one, guys, is the Poison palette right here. And I think I read somewhere that these go on sale on the 1st as individual palettes. Girl, we got another mirror. Hey, boo. And this is the palette here. It's giving me Mardi Gras vibes, very like fall-esque. Beautiful palette, especially this green right here. Okay, yeah, I kind of like this palette. I'm feeling this one. This one is pretty. Yes, let's swatch a few. We even have a black in here, guys. Very, very, very pretty. All right, let's go ahead and swatch them. That's that palette right there swatched out. Like I said, giving me real Mardi Gras type vibes. Both of these palettes are gorgeous. They swatch out really nice. So, okay, cool, guys. So we have the Poison palette as well. Let me look at my little paper because I don't know if I got everything. Let me see. We're supposed to get the Teddy palette. We're also supposed to get the Poison palette. We have those. 2 full-size Hank and Henry products, which would be the highlighter here and the lipstick, and 4 full-size products from the Makeup Institute. So it's these 2 brushes here are counted as 1 each, and then the eyeshadow, the loose pigment, and then the palette here, another eyeshadow palette. So that is 8 products we received. I'm sorry, 9, including the little bracelet. Okay, cool. So we did get, at first I was kind of like, did we get everything? But we did. Okay, guys, let's do final thoughts. So final thoughts on this mystery box. I really thought that it was a pretty cool mystery box. I do like the fact that we got 2 brushes and a highlighter. We got 3 eyeshadow palettes, even these 2, which are like his most popular palettes. I do like the fact of getting those. We got brushes, we got eyeshadow. So I think all in all, it was a pretty decent makeup mystery box. I'm sorry, my energy is off today, guys. Y'all, I'm just like, I don't know, I'm drained or something. I don't know what's going on. But I did think that it was a pretty cool mystery box. I did see my girl Just Ann unbox a pretty vulgar mystery box. I think I'm going to pick that one up. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I should. Yeah, let me know because I'll pick that one up, guys. But if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, this box is a garbage. Throw it in the damn fire! To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying? We're going to give Hank and Henry, depending on our overall value. If it change, I'll let y'all know when I put the numbers up. But from here, I think it's a pretty good box. I'll give it a 3.5 to 4, actually. Probably a 4. We'll give it a 4. I really did enjoy this mystery box. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys, in the comments if you like this box or not. Let me know if you would consider getting one of the 3 boxes. This will probably be my last purchase from Hank and Henry. I do not own anything from Hank and Henry, but I saw something on Twitter this weekend that just didn't sit really right with me and my spirit and Hank and Henry. So this is my last purchase with Hank and Henry. I just, no, I'm not gonna support somebody that refers to other people as monkeys. I don't like it. We're in 2020 and people need to really stop it. Like, it is quite stupid and childish to me, especially when we have a whole world of color. Everybody is mixed with something. No one is 100% anything. So all of the name calling and all of this racist shit, oh, girl. So this will probably be my, no, not probably. This will be my only purchase from Hank and Henry going in the future, guys. So let me know your thoughts on this box. And that is it, guys. That's all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with your girl. I will see you down in the comments and on my next video. I hope you guys be blessed and be safe. Wash your hands, wear your mask, guys. Bye.